Hello everyone, Dr. Bob with Catalyst Chiropractic and Rehab, and today I want to talk to you about shoulder pain. So we see a lot of patients who are dealing with shoulder pain and have tried everything for it. They've done rehab, they've done previous chiropractic, they've tried injections, and a lot of times they're told it's just something that they have to deal with, or just quit doing, the softball or basketball or baseball or the lifting or crossfitting or whatever it might be that they're doing, that they notice the pain while they're doing it. Well, at Catalyst Chiropractic and Rehab, we have a better option. We have something called our NeuroStim machine, which is a new technique which we're able to actually help retrain the muscles. So not only can we help break up the old scar tissue that may be causing the problem, we can help strengthen the muscles and educate and coordinate them so they're moving as they should. One way to think about it is if you think of a basketball team, you can have a whole bunch of really good players on a team, but if they don't know how to work together, they're not going to do very well if they're all playing as individuals. So that's if the muscles are strong, but there's a miscommunication in how those muscles are supposed to coordinate, which a lot of people are actually dealing with. The NeuroStim gives us the ability to help teach those muscles or re-educate those muscles how to work together as a group to help stabilize that shoulder in the movement or dynamic positions like overhead lifting, throwing, volleyball, different things like that, or even just reaching up into the cupboard or trying to put your jacket on for someone who might have frozen shoulders. So if you or someone you know is dealing with shoulder pain and they've tried everything and they'd like to get better, have them give us a buzz. We'd love the chance to talk to them more about the NeuroStim option. We can do that search for that and find out if it's something we can do to help out. It's Dr. Bob with Catalyst Chiropractic and Rehab. Have an awesome day.